The world's central bank umbrella body, the Bank for International Settlements, or BIS, is calling for more interest rate hikes. You can see in this chart from September 2021, literally all of these countries have raised their interest rates from near zero or sometimes below zero to staggering levels, and more are incoming. The problem with inflation, it makes everything more expensive. Over time, it destroys purchasing power. The next FOMC meeting is in about 30 days, and there's currently a 76.9% probability of a 25 basis point increase in the federal funds rate. Interest rate sensitive parts of the economic system are being hit. And we can see crypto is also being hit, as the US Treasury seeks to replenish its cash balance. We've seen at times like this the US 10-year, the DXY, and bond market fear come up. We're also witnessing a little bit of a decrease in net liquidity in terms of the main markets. There are a lot of central bank talks scheduled for this week, with Fed Chair Powell speaking on Wednesday and Thursday. As I mentioned inside the videos of the CTKS method service, we could be facing turbulence in this week. Looking into the main markets, we can see junk bonds, a very good indicator of risk on or risk off activity, has been coming down. And you can notice what happened to the NASDAQ. Also Bitcoin, this blue line behind all of these charts, paired down. We're also starting to see a bit of a technical bounce in the VIX. The VIX has been very, very suppressed. We're not seeing an explosion in yields as we could expect to see, especially with the US Treasury balance being refilled. The events in Russia really didn't push gold's price up much, if anything. We can see by looking at the main market, Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, Meta, Amazon, Tesla. Tesla was particularly hard hit. Inside the CTKS method monthly service, we give smart money buy and sell levels. The difference between normal technical analysis and CTKS technical analysis is a wide margin. Normal TA just marks up recent indicative price and RIPs people's money. The CTKS method marks up all of price history, in Tesla's case from 2010. It literally gives you X-ray vision on where smart money is buying and selling, also where the ceilings are and where the safety nets are. So let's have a look at ceilings and safety nets. When price was trading back here at around the 21st of June, we had a degree of smart money support below current price. And then we got this crack in the concrete. Cracks in the concrete are very dangerous. They're basically saying to us, there's a weakness inside the market. Even though Tesla came up, it couldn't hold price. And we've seen it fall below this smart money once a support level at 256 and just dropped down again and again. It's on its way to 238. Fortunately, there's some very good safety nets inside the market at around that 231.41 level. The difference between looking at Tesla's price like this with the X-ray vision off and putting the X-ray vision back on is just incredible. Look at how Tesla respected this smart money once a buy level, but if it can't get above, it is going below at 246.11. This is literally like getting X-ray vision inside financial markets. When looking at Nvidia's price, which has been marked up with the CTKS method since 1999, there's a very good reason that we overlay the CTKS method on price charts. When price is coming down, we need to know where the safety nets will slow price and reverse it. Let's pop on the Nvidia indicator. And what do we see? As price was coming down, we saw at 14, 13, and 78 cents there was smart money buy levels. They caught price for a time, but it was reversed and when it hit the 402.19 safety net. We've also seen a little bit of negative there and a cut under here in price. Nvidia is probabilistically moving to that 402 level. Just keep this in mind. How is the crypto market looking today? Pretty red. As Bitcoin comes down, no alt can escape Bitcoin's gravity. But you might say, Ken, what about USDC? That's green. That's a stable coin. They're supposed to remain around their $1 peg. But you can notice stable coins are never stable. We talk about this a lot inside the masterclass. The greatest gainers past 24 hours, top 100. Bitcoin Cash, which is inside the CTKS method monthly service. BSV, Near, Injective, Arbitrum, Dash, Leo, Ape, and Ethereum Classic. The greatest losers top 100 past 24 hours. Carver, Aave, Bit, Cake, Synthetics, Gala, LRC, Pepe, and Solana. It's really interesting to note that Aave yesterday was amongst the top gainers. You can see in the last 30 days it went up just crazily, but it's down about 7.4% today. Why is this? We have a rule for it. It's Rule 4. Price moves in waves. Price is always going up and down, all the time. Even in an uptrend, it comes down, and even in a downtrend, it goes up. That's exactly why we have Rule 621, buy on red, sell on green. And there's Borsog, the price eagle, screeching away, buy on red, sell on green. It's a great way to get on the right side of the percentage. Instead of riding the retail roller coaster of emotions, just step into the calmness of smart money thinking. The difference between smart money and retail is just thinking, and it's the process that overlays it. Retail only focuses on the charts that they put money into, a very, very costly mistake. And it does take decades to learn that. What do professionals do differently? They look at the market pulse, especially the Tier 1 charts. What are the Tier 1 charts? They're listed here. You can see Tier 1. All of those background charts are the Tier 1 charts. They're vitally important to understand and look at, to know where smart money is buying and selling. And these are all covered inside the CTKS method service. The focus of smart money is on synchronization because of Rule 603, synchronization profits. If you're in synchronization with the market, you will be paid. If you're out of sync, you will pay the market. When looking across the top cryptos, one thing that you will notice when it comes to Bitcoin's gravitational alignment, that blue line, the alts either over or under extend that. That's because no alt can escape Bitcoin's gravity. One thing that's not incredibly apparent, and because it resides underneath the charts, the reason for strength and weakness is largely because of where smart money is buying and selling. We can see Doge at the moment is quite weak. We can also see Solana is quite weak as well. When we look at Doge, and Doge has been marked up since 2013 with the CTKS method indicator, which is available in the monthly service. When you look at particular price, it's hard to know why did Doge sell off so wildly at this time. It's all about market structure, specifically objective dynamic market structure. A lot of people looking at recent indicative price wouldn't understand that the true structure in the market since 2013 is actually at 65.11. It wasn't higher, it was right there. And when price couldn't get above it, and you will see often these retests, these lines are magnetized. They have their own gravity. If it can't get above, it's going below. There are a number of safety nets inside Doge, but they're not particularly strong at the current time. Applying the CTKS method to your charts, and you can do it as simply as just adding the indicator, will be a game changer, and so many people have found that inside the monthly servers. When looking at Solana, where is smart money going to layer in and start supporting Solana's price? Let's pop on the indicator to find out. Solana is currently 1602. We can see a smart money buy area above it was 1613, but price is now trading below. That means it has a certain amount of gravity. It could come back and retest and resume down. But the next level of support in Solana's price structure is 1534. This is where smart money is looking, not retail. There's a further one down, 1488, and a stronger one below that at 1454. The beautiful thing about the CTKS method, it helps you see that there are safety nets below price and ceilings above price. It creates a lot more certainty as to where price will go and fluctuate. We have over 16,000 people in our beloved global CTKS family. If you're celebrating a birthday, anniversary, or other special day, happy birthday, or happy anniversary, or happy whatever that special day is. As a global family, we focus on positive excellence. Positive excellence is part of the smart money mindset. To be successful in anything, you must have persistence and commitment. You must be open to learning and have humility and also patience. Learning is a very frustrating thing, so being kind to yourself is very important. That will give you inner peace, but also being kind to others will give you outer peace. Inner and outer peace is very important for your focus. You don't want to be wasting time. You want to be focused on your goals, accomplishing those goals. You'll often see inside the comments that there's a lot of eagle emojis that just inhabit the comments, and that's because we look at ourselves as eagles. An eagle is a powerful and majestic bird. It has incredible eyesight, speed, and strength. We know that life pullbacks give us the strength for the next life rally. We are dedicated. We are committed. We either win or learn and never blame. The reason that we don't blame is because we're not interested in being disempowered. We are in control of our own destiny. Blame always disempowers. We don't have any part in blame. Have a great day or night ahead, my friends, and Kate and I look forward to catching up with you again tomorrow. Bye for now.